man, I'm hungry.
You just ate 5 minutes ago.
Hey, what if I go in the back and get a slice of that cheese?
You'd stop at 1 slice.
What the hell the Department of Homeland Defense need with a truck full of cheese anyway?
You ain't never heard of government cheese?
Let's give him a little assistance.
Hi, boys.
Ladies, look like you're over here.
I know we are.
I mean you're
Coming from the west side, and you know what's up. Do the thing all night, leave your ass all night. Boy, this is will I walk by punk? I'm the ball guy. Make you have to duck my bullets and my buckshot. Ow!
I'm not going out without a fight.
He's retarded.
Keys in the truck, move the lever because the brakes get stuck.
Hi, I'm Agent Shavers. We'll be commandeering your truck today.
Man, we can't let nobody know a white guy hijacked us.
We'll say it was 75 black guys.
Anybody see the po-po? Anybody see the po-po? Let me know. Anybody see the po-po? Anybody see the po-po? Where they go? Ain't nothing more important than me than payback. I'm home court in the streets. Ain't nothing more important than me than payback.
We got a truck full of guns and they paying us to haul cheese?
That's not cheese?
No, that's not
So
cheese.
what you
that's
think,
cheese.
D-Train? This enough bang for you?
God bless America.